What is going on, everybody? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, big news. Polaroid Originals has blessed us with so many goodies this past week. Not only did we get a brand new camera, the One Step Plus, but we got a brand new app that's going to help you get your photos from your Polaroids to your phone onto your social media. I'm going to tell you exactly how we do that coming up. So within the app, there's going to be essentially four main buttons that are going to act as menus within the app. The first one's going to be the One Step Plus button. Now, once that camera gets to your home and you open it up, it's going to be a plus button on that camera. You're going to pair it like you would any regular Bluetooth device, and then that button, the One Step Plus button, is going to give you access to tons of different features that are going to allow you to use your camera away from your phone, take photos, do double exposure, light painting, all bunch of cool things like that. We can't use that yet because we don't have the camera yet, but there's some other things within that app that we can use. For example, the second one down is going to be a yellow button, and it's scanner, and that's the button that I'm really pumped about. Up until now, you used to have to use tons of different type of third-party apps to try to scan your Polaroids in, or you had to use a regular, printer with a scanner, and let me tell you, it would be very frustrating from time to time to try to get the clarity and try to get the sharpness in your photo without, being frustrated or spending a lot of time doing it. What's really cool about the scanner app is when you're out and about and you're taking Polaroids with your friends or with your family, or you're somewhere and you want to share the moment, now all you have to do is literally open up your phone, open up the Polaroid Originals app, and then use the scanner menu button, use that, and then you can share your Polaroids that you're taking in real time with your friends, with your family, and I'm super excited about it. I used it last night, and let me tell you, it is the best Polaroid scanning app that I have ever used, and I'm not just saying that, but really, you can take a photo from different angles in different lighting situations, and it picks up. And even if it's not perfect, you can actually drag the corners of the photo to get where you need to be, and it's really, really cool. There's also a button that allows you to whiten up the border. If for some reason, when the scanning app took the photo, it didn't get a crispy white border, you can actually adjust that within the app. The next button down after that is My Photos. So after you scan those Polaroids in, your photos are actually going to live in there, and that's where you're going to be able to scroll through and see your old Polaroid and see everything that you've uploaded within the app. And it also allows you to essentially download those photos directly onto your camera roll, so that way you have them and you can use them for further use. The last button within the app is pretty cool. It's called Inspiration. It's the green button. And really what that allows you to do is to see what other creators within the Polaroid space are doing, right? It lets you see what their top artists are doing, the type of photos that they're taking, the type of images that they're creating with the different features within the Polaroid One Step Plus, and just different features that they have within some of the other different Polaroid cameras, like the One Step 2 or maybe some vintage cameras. So definitely check that out if you're in a creative rut, if you're stuck and you feel like your photos are all looking the same and you just kind of feel stagnant. Check out that button. It's got some really cool videos, it's got some cool tutorials on how to create shots just like some of the people that they feature directly on their website. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you how you can get your photos from the Polaroid Originals app onto your Instagram or to your Facebook. So all we're going to do is we open up the app. So we click on the Polaroid Originals app right here. And again, we can see that menu screen that we have here, the One Step Scanner, My Photos, Inspiration. Again, any photo that you scan within the scanner button in the app is going to live in the My Photos tab. So I scanned some photos in last night, and you can see where they're at here. And now all we have to do is we don't actually have to do anything. When you scan a Polaroid into the My Photos app, it automatically saves it to your camera roll. So all you have to do is then go into Instagram or Facebook, select that photo, and you're good to go when it comes to setting up your next post on Instagram. What's really exciting is before, if you tried to have a specific curated page that was maybe just all of your Polaroids, it was kind of frustrating, right? Because every time you wanted to upload a photo, you had to go to the scanner, or you had to try to use the app like Genius Scan or something else like that, and it could be definitely really frustrating to try to get those photos there. But now this is just too easy. Every photo that you scan is in your phone, it's in your photos, and all you have to do is set that up. So that opens up tons of possibilities for new projects that you can do. You can do a whole Instagram theme of maybe just your Polaroid work, which won't take away from your Instagram page if you have a certain aesthetic or you have a certain theme that's going on, and some random Polaroid that you're throwing might throw it off. What's also cool is now that we have our photos that are saved into My Photos, and maybe you do want to post that Polaroid to your theme, but you want to keep it, you know, a certain color scheme. I have a video that I recorded on how I edit my Instagram feed. It's kind of a gray, black and white monochrome feel. If you wanted to keep that feel, but you still wanted to upload your Polaroid, now all you have to do is upload your Polaroid that you just scanned into an app like Lightroom or into an app like Visco, and I'll walk you through exactly how you then can edit that photo and keep it on theme with your Instagram, so that way you don't have some random photo just kind of plopped in. So I hope you enjoyed that. Do me a favor, if this video was helpful for you, hit the thumbs up button, and do me a favor, if you find value in my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out videos at least a couple of times a week, and if you want to stay posted on my day-to-day life, you can always follow me on Instagram at I'm Eric Brown Jr., and I will see you on the next video.